I am back. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the Mirror Table, where what you bring to the table is a reflection of you, and I am so glad to be back. And thank you guys for holding it down all this time. Thank you for watching my videos, and thank you for some new people that subscribed. I am so glad to be back, and thank you guys for just hanging on to my channel and staying subscribed. So I'm back with some great new content. And first of all, my mom is doing really well. Last time I left off, I let you guys know that my mom was diagnosed with cancer. She went through several surgeries, chemotherapy, and now she is doing very, very well. She is on her way to recovery. She is cancer free. So thank you guys so much for your words of inspiration and your kindness and your patience while we worked our way through this health crisis. But she is doing really well, cancer free, like I said, and all is well. So while I was away, I've been reflecting on what do I want this channel to be? What do I want to do in my life? And I have a degree in political science. I have a degree in fashion design, interior design. I thought, why don't I just really round this channel up into things that I really, really love and show you guys some fun, new, fresh content. So I am going to go on a hunt for a house. I want to be mortgage free. Okay, so I want to be mortgage free. So I'm going to sell my old house and I want to buy a house and fix it up. So I want to take you guys through that journey, and we're going to do so many fun renovations and all that. And I'm still going to do fashion because some days I get tired. I want to just dress up and go somewhere and put on something that I've upcycled, but I want to show you guys all that. Also, I did a lot of downsizing, so I am selling my closet, guys. I have a lot of things up for sale on Poshmark. I'm gonna put the link below and I'll show you some of the things that I have for sale. I think I'll do like videos a couple times a week to show you new things that I've added. Also, I want to do videos a couple times a week of all the renovations I'm doing to the house. And so we have lots of new content I'm going to be adding to this channel, and I want to add and evolve this channel even further. So I love my thrifting, I love my thrift flips, I love my upcycles, but we're going to turn that into some upcycles for the house. Also, we'll be doing some fashion, but I'm going to do a lot of DIY content, different series. There's a series on what's for sale on Poshmark, a series on what we're renovating in the house, and also just some fashion and getting dressed to go some different places, because sometimes I get tired of working on the house and just want to get out and do something. So, you know, I'll be showing you guys the outfit of what I'm going to wear when I go out. But so our channel is going to evolve into lots of fun things. You're going to learn a lot of cool stuff on here. I'm going to be learning a lot of stuff with the renovations I'm going through. But first, I want to take you guys through the houses that I looked at and let you guys do a fun game and see which house you think I picked. And so I want to take you guys through that process and through every renovation in this house. Also, I'm on Substack, so I'll put in the link below for my Substack. It's called Mortgage Free and Mending. So it's my journey of me being mortgage free and working on the house that I bought. So I want you to subscribe to my Substack. I will put the link below so you guys can log on and read every week. I'm going to post every Sunday, and you guys will be getting the updates on the house, like the numbers of like what I paid for the house, what I'm spending, what the renovations cost, just all the information about the neighborhoods and lots of political stuff like redlining and stuff like that. But it'd be a fun informational read for you guys. So check me out every Sunday on Substack and check out what we're doing on that. And then I'm going to post on YouTube like crazy. Okay, so like I said, I want to do what's on Poshmark on some days, and then a couple days a week we will update you guys on different renovations that I'm going to be doing. So I've recorded lots of stuff. So thank you guys for hanging in there, staying subscribed, continue to subscribe. So right now, let me show you guys what is for sale on my Poshmark. Like I said, I'm going to put the link below, and you guys go ahead and shop my closet, because I'm going to need some money for these renovations. So go ahead and shop, and I'm just like uploading stuff, every week, new items. If you subscribe to my Poshmark, then you'll get an alert to see what I uploaded. But some really cool things, some of them, some designer items, lots of things that I thrifted, some things that I'm going to just sell that I got from being an influencer. So, because I have so much stuff, I have way too much stuff. So when I move, I want to bring less stuff with me. Okay guys, so these are some of the things that I have on Poshmark. You see I have a big old bag full of stuff, but I'm just going to take out a couple of things to show you what I have put on Poshmark for this week. So first we'll start off with some handbags. So this is a cute leather handbag. Look at the pearl detail right here. This one is by Viva. Is it Viva California? Yeah, Viva of California. Really beautiful, supple, soft leather, and this is like a bucket bag. You see the bottom here. It has a crossbody strap, and I love how this fastens here. So this is like a gold leather, I guess like a little collar that fastens right across the bag, and it snaps right here. And it's like a cute little bucket bag, but it's so pretty and very soft and supple. I love how soft this leather is, and great quality bag, a nice long crossbody strap. So I just put this one on Poshmark, so go ahead and check these out. Nab these up, guys. I've been on Poshmark now for a couple months before I told you guys about it, and I've been selling like crazy. So when I put something on now, you might want to grab it if you like it, and grab it real quick. So this is really super cute. So let's go to the next thing we have. Let's see. Oh, Coach. So I have a Coach bag. This one's cute. I'll put the names up because I don't remember the names of some of my Coach bags. But this is nice leather, all leather. It's like the pebble leather. And there's a zip here. There's a zip on the top. There are double handles. And there's a shoulder strap here. You can wear it crossbody or as a shoulder bag. Really nice leather, very soft. And has that pebble texture. The zippers work really well. Right, zipper pocket here. And then we have the zip top. This bag is pretty clean. Most of my bags are pretty clean. And I usually try to clean them out myself. But I usually sell pretty clean bags. So this is the inside of that one. But super cute bag. I really love this. You know, Coach, you can get some really good deals on Poshmark. Coach is really getting up there. The prices are getting up there these days. So go ahead and grab you a Coach bag if you're looking for Coach. All right, next we have Michael Kors. This is a really nice Michael Kors tote bag. So we have the double handles here. You have these beautiful details, like a belt on each side, belt buckles on each side. Really pretty bag. Love the trim. It's like a brass like color, like tarnished brass color trim. And just a super cute bag. It has little feet on the bottom. And so zip has a zipper in the center. Zipper works just fine. And then on each side is just kind of open. On each side, it does have a pocket, a zip pocket here, another pocket right there. But really cute bag. Canvas lining on the inside. Pretty clean. Yeah, pretty clean canvas leather. Or canvas on the inside and leather trim on the inside. But nice bag. Very good quality. Leather bags are really expensive. So if you can find one, a nice one on Poshmark like this, go ahead and snatch it up. But I will link my Poshmark handle below so you guys can follow me there, log on and pick the things that you like. And let's see what else I want to show you guys. This is Fossil, a really nice Fossil crossbody. Fossil makes really good quality bags. This one is like a woven fabric here and then leather trim, but really nice quality crossbody bag. It has a zip here, zip pocket here, another zip pocket right here, and then it has a zip top opening here. Here's the inside, pretty clean, and inside you have a zip pocket as well. And then a really cute, nice leather crossbody strap. So leather on this side and then like a canvas on the other. But really nice bag. This is great to tote around when you're out and about in the daytime and you want to throw some things in a bag and go hands-free. This is perfect. So check this one out. And the last thing I'll show you is, this one is faux leather. This is Montana West. This was an influencer bag that I got, so I've never really carried it. Just showed it in a video and that was it. So really cute, faux leather, has a zipper on the back. And I love this like quilting like detail on the front, super cute. Top handles, and then the crossbody strap with Montana West on the handle. And it has a zipper top, so unzips like this. Bag is clean, never used it. You can see just have the little, what is this? The little, I guess, tag here for the inside. I still have that, but really nice bag, super cute. So that is it, guys. So that's what I have for sale this week on Poshmark. Go ahead and check it out and shop and buy some items and let me know what you got. Also, stay tuned for my next video so we can look at the houses that I looked at and let you guys gonna do a game and let me know which house you think I picked. And then just stay tuned for renovation. So renovation fun. I'm learning a lot of new things. So I want you guys to learn along with me. And we'll also like getting dressed and doing some fashion and some skincare and all kind of stuff. So stay tuned. Thanks for following me. I will see you in the next one. And welcome to my channel. If you're new, I'll see you again. Bye.